Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open and access your Experian credit report, including how the password and PIN process works, step by step. So the tutorial today is how to open your Experian credit report and access it successfully. First, go to the Experian Credit Expert website and start the sign up or login process. During setup, you'll be asked to select the bank where your current account is held and the bank for your credit card using the drop-down menus. Once selected, click the blue Continue button. You'll then see a confirmation page thanking you and summarizing the details you submitted. Click Continue to your Member Center. Next, you'll be taken to a welcome page explaining that Experian will send you a PIN, which is your unique reference number. This PIN is sent by post and usually arrives within 5 working days. You'll need this PIN before you can fully access your credit report. Once you receive your PIN, return to the Experian Credit Expert website and click the Member Login button. Enter your username and password on the login page, then click Next. As an extra security step, you'll be asked to enter specific letters from a memorable word that you created during registration. Enter the requested letters and click Login. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to enter your PIN. Type the PIN into the box and click Go. After this, you'll be logged in and taken to an overview page showing your credit status. From here, click View Your Full Credit Report to see the complete breakdown of your Experian credit report. If you download your credit report as a PDF, the password is usually based on your personal details, such as part of your date of birth or postcode, depending on Experian's instructions. If you're unsure of the password, check the email or on-screen message that appears when you download the PDF. And that's it. That's how you open and access your Experian credit report using the PIN and login process. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more credit and finance tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want help with another guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.